Hey and welcome this Friday. We are now going to be running our binary option robot here at Pocket Option. I will now start the robot. You can, by the way, get this robot. Just use the first link that you find below the video and let's make some money. What I will do in this video, I will make a couple of trades. This time around, I will micromanage the trades. I will show you what you can do if you lose a trade. If you win the two trades, I don't have time for more than that. But if you lose one, I will stop and then I will do a little micromanaging so you can see how you can get 100% win rate. Okay, so follow the video, and in the end of the video, I will give you an update how everything did go. Okay, so let's start the robot. Okay, let's now start the robot. By doing that, we just go to AutoTrade. We see mean signal accuracy. We put to 60 as we want a losing trade. Payout about 80. I like that. 5 all. Yes, let's go for it. So now let's push AutoTrade. If you want to change accuracy, accuracy is how good the signals are. Then just push accuracy, and that will come up for you. Okay. And then you choose that, for example, to 80 or 90, whatever you feel for. I typically have 85 I would use, but today we actually want a losing trade, so let's see if we can get a losing trade. I will do max 2 trades, okay? That is what I have time for in this video. So now we just need to wait there and we push on. Now AutoTrade is on. Now he will start looking for trades. We see that the signal bot is enabled, everything is in order. Now, of course, we turn on AutoTrade. Let me now turn my focus over. Let me see here now. We will let me change this. Let me see. We go here. I will close this one there. So, but we can keep open and follow here. Let me see. So when a trade occurs here, the trade will automatically come over to Pocket Option and we will go into the pair that is a trade, and we can follow the trades. So the trades are set to be 5 minutes closing. Okay, so now we just need to be waiting a little to get one trade. Typically we get a trade within 5 minutes time, especially as we just have accuracy 60%. There should be many signals coming, so now we just need to wait for it. So if you get 2 winners, no losers, cool. But in this, for the purpose of this video, I actually hope we're going to get a loser. So because then I will show you what you can do to get out of it, and the rules I apply for it when I do it. Okay. So now we just need to wait. Boring while we're waiting, especially typically I don't sit waiting like this because I don't micromanage the trades. Thus we're going to do that in this video. We will need to sit here and be looking at this boring screen. Typically I just go out, I sit and relax somewhere and come back like after a couple of hours. Typically if you go away for if you set for example accuracy around 85, you can expect all between 4 and max 8 trades. So this is after your balance. So for example, if you go for it for a couple of hours and you put $1 trades, if for a strange reason you can maximum lose around $8 is what I have seen, at least if you set that accuracy. So it's pretty safe for you to do. Win rate I've seen quite good. Okay, we got the trade here now. Ucobret. Okay, then we turn on here and let's find our trade. Let me do that. It's just a push this one here. Then we see a trade. We see it's a buy trade. We see we have an upwards momentum, and you basically take advantage to put a trade as in the lower area. You see that we have more like a support area here. So the trade is very good. I like it. So, but let's see if we lose it or not. We are going to be in it for more 4.5 minutes. So, and in the case we win this trade, we'll let the robot trade one more trade and see if we can lose that trade. But I will now show you what I will do. I forgot to change to $15, but you're now trading just $1. I should have changed to 15. That's what I typically trade the robot. I forgot to do that because if we go back to the robot here now, I'll show you what happened. I needed to turn on the robot again. Let me show you. I needed to go here. You can see was the bot was disabled. So what I did, I just pushed start, and then I checked the balance, and then I could see everything was in order. So if you come and says disabled, just push choose start, then you're starting up the signal bot, and then you can have the balance and everything. Okay, so it's a very easy way to fix that when this happened. This happened only one time to me, that he disconnect from trading. Okay, so that is how you fix that. But that means all your setting will be reset. So that means you need to change your limit and asset, all these type of things. But in this case, it was just a $1 trade. If you win the trade and no trades are taken, but looks like we good. We are getting a loser here maybe. What was the accuracy of the trade, by the way? Let me see. Yeah, see, accuracy 63. So that's why it's a huge chance we might lose it. Like I told you, it's better you choose like 85, because then you're getting a much higher win rate. Okay, so let's go back here. We are 2 minutes in, and I'm ready to take a $2 trade here if we lose, because then I'm basically just martingale. The way I'm going to martingale is that I will do max 3 times. Okay, so if you lose a trade, I will double up max 3 times. I have done this a lot. Now, of course, I just trust the robot, let it run. I don't micromanage. But if you're going to do, this is a way for you to get more like 100% win rate. Now, as we did break down here, I think he will retest, and I think he will break down. So that is a perfect scenario for us to, I think now probably will lose. But let's see. We need to wait a little longer. But yeah, we are ready to go in. And in the time when you come down to the 1 minute, let me just make sure we have it to 5 minutes. Let me see. I do like this. Push this so you get more like a clock thing, and then choose 5 minutes. Okay. Then you make sure that you get the 5 minutes that you want, that you don't get another closing. Okay. So after what I do typically now, if I see I'm going to lose, if I go in minus now, I don't wait till the timer go down. I try to get the best entry. If I start to see that we come below here, for example, that will be then entry for me. So I will just wait and see the best entry within when we start to go below 1 minute turn now. So I don't wait till the bar till it completely closed. I try to get the best entry within what I can see. Now sadly it looks like we're going to win the trade. That means we will need to wait one more. Okay, but like I said, now it's less than 1 minute left. So now if I see he start to go down to around these levels here, I will then just enter. Now he did take another trade, so I will now stop it. I'll now stop the robot. Let me do that. I'll do that off camera. I just push auto trade and off. Okay, so no more trades will be taken. Now we'll take care of these 2 trades. Now looks like we're going to win the first. I will not follow the other one yet. As we got 1 more trade here now, it's actually better, so I don't need to micromanage 2 trades. But let's see here now. 10 seconds left. Looks like we're winning the first one. I will check the accuracy also on the second trade. But there we won the first one, as you can see. So we made $0.82 on that trade. So if you had taken a $10 trade, for example, you would have made like $8.2. So $1, it takes time, but it's a way for smaller accounts to build up. That was a mistake I did. As you have time, I will show you how you can do that while you wait that trade. Here also say congratulations, and you can see that the trade was won. Now let's go over here. the trade that was taken, this was accuracy 78, so this was a better trade, as you can see. Does not mean that you're going to win it, but it's a higher probability. If you push limit. No, this is for balance. Let me see. Amount, of course. Here you can choose 15. Okay, so that's the max you can use with this robot. So then, of course, you make much more money when you're trading also. Now let's go back to the trade. Take a look. I will now turn off this. Go back here. Let's open this pair. Euro against New Zealand. And here we have a clear losing trade. Perfect. And I take our entry there. So then this new trade will be in, and I will be waiting. I could have waited. The only reason I have the RSI open is because we come down to the RSI in the bottom here. It's a nice place to take a new one. So let's take a 4 if you come down there. Let's wait and see. So this is basically what I do. I can do it 3 times. I don't need to wait after this. Okay, so now we wait. This one should close anytime now, and then we get the update on the RSI. Okay, so you can also zoom out and see that this was actually a very good entry. So I should actually have taken a trade there, but let's wait and see. So now it's just about getting the best entry we can on the next one. Like I said, I don't wait more. And I'm still waiting. We are looking for the best entry possible. Okay. So, like I said, this, when I zoom out, this was a good entry down there. But let's see if we can get that again. Because you can also see where the market has stopped before. This is a way to micromanage, or you can just look the RSI. That's up to you. Now let's see. I think if I come down here again, I will take the second one. Okay. I take it there. There, we got a quite good entry. And then you can see now we have 1, 2, and we have 1 more. So if you go even lower, we take the last one. Okay. So that will be the 3 trades. In this case, we can make even more money because we can even win the trade up here, you know. And every trade is 5 minutes. Okay. So this is how I micromanage. I don't wait till each trade is closed. So now you clearly see we are going to lose the first one, but we can still win this one. So now it's just a matter of waiting a little. So like I said, if you go lower than this, you see this is in the exact area of support. So if I get a lower entry, I will take it also with the last third trade. So now let's see. So this is basically a fast, nice way of you to micromanage your trades. This is what I do at least. So you can see you maximum will lose in this 10, 11, you lose $15 basically. But then also you can see you can win quite a lot. I have times where I have won actually 3 trades, all of them. So now let's see. And you basically just need to win the last trade. That's enough, you know. So now let's see if we can get about this 2 minutes. That will be a very good sign. For now, you see we are staggering around here. I'm ready to go in with the last $8. If I see we break this area here, we just need to wait a little longer. So now I'm looking for trade about there. So there we have the last one in. So now it's basically, now we are all in, now it's basically just to wait. So that is basically how I trade. You see this is a lower area. Now you see the RSI is hitted. So just for fun of it, we can take one more because it's an incredible good entry there. This part you can skip. This one we'll take here now. You see we hit the RSI, so if you take the RSI, this was the RSI trade, okay? So you can skip this one here, you can keep to this tree here. The max you lose with this is $15, okay? So, but this was just one I'll take because I see also a button over here, RSI did hit. So this was a very nice entry. But now let's see if we can win this one that should be your last. That's this $8. So now we just need to wait because no market go just one direction. That's why this is a nice way of trading. Hopefully we can shoot past this $4 before the time go past. Let's see. Now we start to get a little momentum upwards. We are getting close to our $8. We just need to break through this resistance and close the bow. That's a good sign. So now let's see. I'm still hoping that we can break above the $4 up there before 1 minute is passed. It is pretty likely that we have possibility for that. As you can see now, we are basically moving the same like here. And let's see. Because we got more or less the same breakdown, you can see over here. And typically the market repeats itself often. So now let's see. Now it's just 20 seconds, so the likelihood of reaching the $4 seems to be slim now. So now let's see. But like I said, you can just let the robot do its thing. You see we one trade, we lost one. So you can just let him do his thing also. You don't need to do what I did now, of course. This is for the ones that have a little more balance and you want to be winning every single trade, okay? So now, let's see. I think now we'll start to get a little momentum upwards. Came a little too late for the top $4 trade up here, but at least we are about the last trade that was supposed to be with $8. So now it's just a waiting game. While we wait, let's take a look over here at the ins settings also. We have like a 1 minute left, so you can check here. So basically everything you have here. Oh yeah, I did push disconnect. I was not supposed to do that. I did just push by mistake. But it's just to push start again, so it's all good. But you have assets, you have trade types, you don't need to play with that. Expiration, that is how long time you want to be in trade, how to trade, language, if you don't understand English, payout, you have all these type of things. So it's a very complete system. Now let's go back and follow the trade. Now let's take a look. I was not expecting us to break down there. I was, let's see, we are still 30 seconds left of the $8 trade. If this one can turn green now, would be nice. Because we did now go in 4 times instead of the 3 times I said in the start of the video. That was just because I did hit the RSI 30 and I did see that we came to a special area down there. But now we are very close. 3, and we won it. So thankfully it was pretty close, but in that case, if you kept to the 3 rule I had, you would have end up with profit. But you see that was very close, very close. So if you have kept just to the RSI and take the trade where I did take it here, you would have this as $8, of course. So you can do that also for a securement to follow the RSI also. Now we just have 8 seconds left, and we are going to win the second trade also down here, and then we make some good profit all over. So there you have it. We made some good profit. You see, when we started the video, we started with 48,030 dollar ish. So we see we made like $23, even though we started with just $1 trades. So there you have it. If you want to do martingale, always include, think like the max you can lose then is $15 if you do a martingale. So be aware of that. You should basically just run the robot without it. Set a higher accuracy, okay? But other than that, you can do this. You see it's possible. You can choose if you keep to the limit of 3, but the limit of 3 is to protect yourself, because you can think if you have 60, the next will be 32, the next after that will be 64, 124. You see that your balance can go very fast if you take longer. So 3 should be the max. I have a crazy balance, so I don't have a problem with this. I could just keep on till I win. But the only reason that I take $16 trade here now is because I did hit RSI. I did see was a perfect with the entries down here. That's why they take 1 extra trade. But you see, by the way, we won the $8. So once again, below the video you find a link if you want to get started with this binary option robot. You don't need to micromanage what I did now, but this is just to show you that it's a possibility to do so also. Okay, so with that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you on the next.